everybody, this is Holly and I'm here with my 2007 manual Cayman S. I just wanted to talk to you about the exhaust that I put in. It's a AWE catback system and I got it from ModBargains through Ron. Ron is the owner of ModBargains and I called him up and he said, I don't care if your exhaust isn't being made anymore, I'll have one made for you, and it is now on the car. And I have a little video of before with the stock exhaust and now after with the new exhaust. It's fabulous. And a huge shout out to Ron from ModBargains for getting me this exhaust. Hey everybody, listen to my fantastic AWE exhaust.
Hey everybody, I have a really exciting project I'm working on. This is my 2007 Cayman S, and I am going to be installing a catback exhaust system from AWE on my 2007 Cayman S. So excited. Okay, so here we go. Opening up the box, one flap, two flap, and there's packing material. Okay, let me get this packing material out of here. Okay, I got a pipe. Taking out some more packing paper. And I got another pipe. Isn't that pretty? More paper. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Something shiny in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one's heavy. I might have to get my trusty assistant to take that out. Okay. Okay, so we got the first muffler thing here. Got some more paper. Got the swag bag, I think, looks like with some clamps and some decals. And a lollipop. Okay, taking out more paper. This thing is very, very well packed. Ooh, and there's another muffler. And I think that should be all that's in here. And then the box, which I think has my tips in it. Okay, so here's what was inside the little bag. Got some AWE swag with a sticker and a lollipop. And then, oops, I've got some clamps and the, whatever that is, gasket or something, and some nuts. And then now we're gonna look inside this box. Okay, so here's what's inside the box. Looks like I got some other attaching doohickeys and looks like, ooh, another lollipop and maybe another decals in there. And then these are my new chrome exhaust tips. That is a work of art. Those are cool looking. Okay, so this is what came out of the box. It looks like all the hardware is here to attach it to my 2007 Cayman S. I don't think I need anything else. Things that go from the cat back connectors to mufflers, my beautiful new chrome tips, and looks like all the mounting hardware that I need. So I can't wait to get this on. But first, we have to do a before video sound check. Stand by for more. Okay, so I got, in here I got a scan thing to do for detailed instructions on how to install this. I got a very nice AWE sticker, and I got a blow pop lollipop. So that's what we're going to do, is check the instructions and get this installed.